Hey Mod Runners, welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to be talking about Hiccup's map for How to Train Your Dragon 2. As you can see, mine's kind of falling apart a little bit. I've taken it to a few photo shoots and it's kind of ripping a little bit in places. But basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how I got this map distressed. Just started out as regular paper. Fairly thick paper because I wanted it to be, hold up. But what we're going to do is we're going to go into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to give it that kind of weathered, yellowy, kind of brownish look to it. And it's fairly easy. All you need some lemon juice, a paintbrush, and a heat gun. A hairdryer possibly could work, but it's going to take you a lot longer with a hairdryer because it needs to get fairly warm to heat it up. So a regular heat gun I would encourage using, and that's what I used to make mine. So let's go over to the kitchen and I'll show you how I did it. Alrighty, so this is going to go by pretty quickly. It's fairly easy. You just got to make sure that you're aware that this gets extremely hot, very dangerous. So when you turn it on, you want to make sure that you're not touching this end with your hand because it gets really, really hot. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear this because it does make a noise, but I'm going to just show you anyway and you can see how it works. So basically what I do is I take some lemon juice and I just kind of put it on a corner there. And then I take the paintbrush and just kind of get the edges. Just let it absorb into the paper. And I'm going to do about half the paper. And then heat gun. It's going to take a little bit of time because it is wet. And you want to make sure that you're using kind of even strokes with it. Because if you just put it in one spot, it'll probably start to burn and it might even catch on fire. So be very careful. I'll speed this up. All right, now you can see that it's actually starting to take shape. And there you go. There's your kind of weathered look, kind of beigey brown, darker in some areas, and you can even burn the edges if you wanted to burn the edges just to give it that weathered look. And that's how to create that weathered look for the map from a regular piece of paper. And there you go. So after you've distressed it, you can create your circle here in the middle, the lines, the straight lines, and then you can make reference to some pictures online to see where he puts his legends and the different islands and the volcano and the different hills. And then you can kind of make it your own as well. I have not done as many dragons in the middle, so as I go through, I'll add dragons later and whatnot. So that's basically it for today's episode. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share the videos. Please like the videos. Please click on the ads. That's basically it today. Hope you have a great weekend. And whatever it is you're going out there and do, make sure you go out and find your passion.